guys, it's Odette. Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well today. Welcome to my channel. So according to the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys today. Yes, I am, and I'm a little bit excited to do this unboxing today. In Wednesday's video, I hope you guys saw that video. I did the unboxing of this Beauty Edit by OK Magazine. This is my second box. The first box that came out, I did the collab with OBG and Chris. I'm going to leave the card somewhere on top for you guys to take a look at. The box is really nice, and I do like the contents of the box. And one of the things that particularly piqued my interest, as I showed you guys, is these products here from Yardley. And these are the Eau de Toilette, and these are the beautiful body sprays. I hope you guys remember that. And they smell so good. I mean, Yardley has been around for years and years and years, and they are known for their beautiful floral scents, their peonies and their beautiful gorgeous floral scents. It's just really amazing, like the ivory scents. And to me, their products are just exquisite. They smell absolutely amazing. I don't know how they come up with their notes for their body sprays and their products, but it's really good. And I did mention in that video that I will definitely be buying some things from Yardley. And I did. This is my box right here. It's already open just to save time, so we are going to get right into it. So let's just open up the box, shall we guys? Oh my god, I am so excited. I'm really surprised that everything came so fast. I think it was just the next day delivery. And we are going to be talking about these sprays right now. So there were 5 of them in here. There were 5 sample sizes, and I ordered the 5 full sizes. Okay, so this is 3 of them in the box right here. And here we go. They are from Yardley. So we're just going to take them out from the box. Oh my god, I'm telling you, the excitement is killing me right now. And this one, you see, and I mentioned exquisite, and it says Exquisite Peony. And this is, of course, it's a floral collection. Let me get my scissors out. And we are just going to have this wonderful experience today with these beautiful products from Yardley. And I'm hoping that the video is not going to be too long. I don't really care, because I really want to show you guys the products. Oh my god. Guys, come on here. The bottle is so cute. Look at this. I hope you guys can see that. Oh my goodness. Let's just open this and spray. Oh, throw me in an ocean of flowers right now. Beautiful. This one is called Exquisite Peony. This is the packaging right here. The bottle is just pretty. Love it so much. And so I'm going to open the other one. It's called Luxe Gardenia, and I'm just cutting the plastic open because I'm opening this for the first time today with you guys. And like I said, Yardley has been around for many years, because since I was a young girl, my mom always had products from Yardley. Oh my god, all the bottles are probably the same. Okay, again, this one is called Exquisite. No, I'm sorry, this one is called Luxe Gardenia. And let's just spray this on this hand. Oh my god, somebody sing to me right now. This is the packaging right here. Okay, there we go. I mean, their floral scents are just out of this world. Amazing. That's 2. The third one here is called Opulent Rose. So we're just going to open up this one, and we are going to have this wonderful experience together, guys. And you know, I will often see, you know, Yardley here and there when I'm out and about, but I never really paid attention to it. And again, this one is called Opulent Rose. And I love the bottle. It's very simple. It's not about the design of the bottle. It's about the product itself. It's about that scent you will get. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh my god. Oh my god. And this is the packaging right here. Beautiful. Oh, they smell wonderful. Incredibly wonderful. So let me just go through the packaging as we go through everything. I'm gonna get to the other two. I'm sorry, was that too loud? I'm just gonna go through everything. I'm just gonna get to the other two perfumes in a minute. This is the Yardley Flowerazzi. Whoa. Magnolia and Pink Orchid Moisturizing Body Butter. I can't speak. This is the first time I'm actually doing a video and I cannot speak today. I can't. I can't speak. This is the cover right there. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus, help me right now. Hope you guys can see that. Can you imagine after your spa day, you rub this all over your body and you go in with some perfume? I can't speak. So I'm just going to be unboxing, opening up this set of things. And I got the body lotion. Okay, so this is the body butter. And these, yeah, this is the body butter and this is the body lotion. English Lavender. And I remember when we went to, was it? We went to Venice and I think there was a Yardley, Yardley store. What the hell? Oh, stop it. Guys, I'm telling you, I am in heaven right now. This smells beautiful. This is it right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous scent. I'm not going to open them all for you guys. This is English Rose. And I'm sure they smell beautiful. Okay. And this one here is called Lily of the Valley. And there we go. Okay. I am not going to open all of them today because I don't want to make the video too long. And I do have here, and I was sent a free hand sanitizer. I did not pay for this one. They sent it to me in the packaging. Okay, everything else I did order myself. 99.99% hand sanitizer and kills bacteria. And these are the last two sets of perfumes. Everything is nicely wrapped in paper. And here they are. These I'm going to open for you guys. This is called Elegant Iris. So let me open this up quickly for you guys. Elegant Iris. Beautiful. All right. Ah, these things are just divine. They are so exquisite, exquisite, exquisite. Again, all of the bottles are the same. And I'm going to spray this one on this hand. Ooh, my God. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna have to move on to the next one. And this is called Decadent Mimosa. Is this one? I'm sorry, I know this video is probably a little weird for you guys, but these products are just wonderful. Let me just put this one back in the box so I can just save some space on my desk. And we are going to open this one. There we be. It's coming out from the Decadent Mimosa. This is the bottle right here. And let me just go further up my wrist because I don't want to have to confuse the scent. Ooh. What? Guys, these things smell amazing. And exquisite is a word that really comes to mind. Exquisite. beautiful, and especially for the spring summer season. You know, you put this on and you're heading out to meet your friends in the park. Hopefully we can do more than 6 gathering by June. But everything smells so absolutely amazing, and this is the packaging right here. And again, guys, the samples, like I said earlier, came in the Beauty Edit Beauty Box by OK Magazine, and because they smell so good, I went ahead and I got the 5 full size of all of them. The smell is just exquisite. Again, I got the Exquisite Peony, Decadent Mimosa. This is Luxe Gardenia. This is Opulent Rose. I love that name. And this is Elegant Iris. And they smell wonderful. And exquisite is the word that comes to mind. I got 3 body lotion. Again, Lily of the Valley, English Lavender, and English Rose. The hand sanitizer was for free. And this is the Moisturising Body Butter. This smells divine. It is just beautiful. They smell amazing, and I'm so happy that I had a chance to invest and buy some of these things. And I guess this is one of the good things about beauty boxes. You get a chance to experience different things that you never even thought of buying. And for me, I am more into skincare than makeup, and these things are so up my alley. They're very, very girly, feminine, fresh, exquisite, very French, very British smell. And again, Yardley is known for the beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous floral scents. And the smell is not overpowering. It's very soothing and subtle, very gentle. They smell absolutely amazing. I am going to leave the name of all of the perfumes in the description box for you guys. I'm going to leave the name of the lotions in the description box and also the body butter, just in case you guys want to pick up on 1 or 2 things. They are amazing, and I do not regret this buy at all. Absolutely perfect. And yes, so that's it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoy. I mean, my excitement was, it's killing me because the smell is amazing. Because in my room right now, everything smells so beautiful. It smells so nice in here, and it's really not a very overpowering scent, because I don't like when I walk past people, I can still smell their perfumes a long way away. It's very, very feminine, very girly, and you have to basically come close to actually smell it, but the scent is just absolutely gorgeous. I love them. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys had fun the same way I had fun showing you guys these beautiful things from Yardley. So on that note, my name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Toodles!